Here's the latest on my desk project. It's all about the sides at this point. Last time you saw me laying out the parts and then cutting my big long boards to length. So I have one of them here. The next step is to resaw them because they're so thick I can get 2 pieces out of each one. Problem is that there's a cup in it that's pretty significant. That's going to cause problems trying to resaw this as a single piece. On that other one, what I did is I marked a center line down here, ripped it in half at the bandsaw, which is going to help me eliminate all of that cupping without wasting a lot of wood into the planer. Now you could continue the resawing process over at the bandsaw, but I have it set up here to do resawing by hand. Yeah, resawing by hand, it's a lot easier than you think. I marked a center line on all 4 edges, long edges and the ends, and I've made my first cut here, and it's just slow and steady strokes. This is not where you set it at rabbit. You're at turtle speed here, working along. So I'll just finish up this part. So what I'm doing is basically working down to where this pencil line is. Now that I've got that, I'll take it, flip it around, and do the same thing. Again, working down to where this cut finished, which is about kind of like that line. The best part is since I have a kerf already established, the saw is going to follow that path of least resistance. That's really it. Now it's back to just flipping it back over and continuing that kerf. The big wide plate on the saw and the existing kerf keep you on track so that it's really a pretty decent process. And yeah, I'm working in white pine, but that's part of the reason is that I can try this and give it a shot. I did one piece already, and you can see what I have here. It's 2 pieces. It's gonna book match really well, and you can still see the little etchings or whatever, blade teeth marks from where I flipped these pieces all around. It's kind of a fun process and a new technique to try out, especially if you're working with softwoods. I'll keep you posted as this project moves along. Thanks for watching.